It's so red, watermelon. Wow. It looks like it's so yummy. Wow, it's papaya, carrot, and also tomato. So we put it on this. Yeah, put it on this. And then I'm going to eat to you for seeing it. We mix it with, you can call shoes with seafood and also like this. You can look out. It is papaya, tomato, seafood, hot dog, especially this one. I really like to eat because it is so yummy. And then we merge it together, merge it. Wow, look like yummy, I feel and smell it's so delicious. Wow, it looks like so yummy. And also I really like to eat all much food. Don't forget to tell all of you guys this is watermelon. You know watermelon. So when we eat this and then we get it hot, we get it hot so we can eat this to be cold. Yeah. I smell first. It smells so good. Good. So let me eat. I cannot wait anymore. Yes. First I eat tomato with papaya. It tastes so good and so delicious too. Seafood. Good. Delicious. We can eat it with noodle with papaya. Yummy. Eating noodle. Eating noodle. Wow. So yummy. Seafood. Eat with me, everyone. I think you are hungry when you look at me because it looks like yummy and it tastes it's yummy too. Wow, seafood with noodle and then also mm, 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 mm. Don't forget to eat vegetable with noodle and papaya too. Mm. Put it on the vegetable and then we add hot dog and then I try to find seafood. Yeah, seafood. Put it on this and then we put it on the mouth. Look at me, everyone. Mm. Mm. It's not good, but it's perfect and it's very good. Mm. Let me open my mouth and then you open too. So let me eat. Mm. And then we still have with chili, so we can add more about watermelon. Wow, it's so red and it looks like so yummy. So let me eat with me. Mm. One more. Mm. One more and one more again and again. Mm. Mm. It's so sweet, everyone. We back. We are back about noodle. Mm. 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 Put it on this. Mm. It is noodle. We put it on the vegetable. Then we look at me, everyone. Mm. Mm. phẩm mình. Oh, don't forget to eat carrot. You know, when we eat, it can make our skin so beautiful. Carrot with noodle. Put it like this, and then open your mouth. Open my mouth too. It's so sweet. It's like honey, you know, but it is just a watermelon. You can eat it instead of sweet. So I think it is enough for me. So let me say goodbye, everyone. You are all guys. Will see me on the next video. You know. So let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.